Wow, Phoebe, how beautiful! You're doing a great job at painting the animals. The lion, the elephant, the zebra, and almost the giraffe. What was that? It's okay, don't worry. That's cool, Groovy. What is going on? Let's find out. The street is under construction. I think it's going to take them a while. I think we have to get used to this. They still have a lot to do. How? Already? This is weird. Kids, do you think Phoebe and Groovy should help? What fun! A new adventure! Construction machines are broken? And they couldn't finish the work. They can't by himself. He needs our help. Phoebe and Groovy will help you. Groovy can transform into anything, right, Phoebe? For example, into a drill. What about into an excavator? No, Groovy, be careful. Boxes are fragile. We better try with something else. Demolition crane? No, this was not a good idea. I know. Groovy, why don't you let them operate you? They're the expert. The street looks great. Good night, kids. Tomorrow will be as exciting as today. Don't worry, Groovy. Construction time, kids. It's a beautiful day to play at the beach. Look, that little girl wants to play too. Why don't you throw her the ball? The more we are, the more fun we'll have. She stole the ball. I can't believe it. She's not a girl. She's a mermaid. Phoebe, where did she go? We'll have to use the GPS. Groovy! Good morning, Mr. Seahorse. Have you seen a little mermaid with a ball? Hey, Mr. Swordfish. Haven't you seen a little mermaid by any chance? Miss Jellyfish, have you seen a mermaid swimming around here? No? Sharks! It would be better if you just run. Be calm. I'm sure that if we try to talk to them... Does someone speak shark? No? And whale? Nice try. But I think it didn't work. We are safe by the skin of my teeth, thanks to this friendly family of sharks and their 3 delightful fried rice. Friends sharks, we are looking for the mermaid who took our ball. Do you know her? They do. Let's follow them. This is an authentic Spanish galleon. It sank centuries ago. Maybe there's a treasure. Whoa! Look, children, there she is, the little mermaid. And she keeps her own treasures. Yes, Phoebe, that's our ball, but she's not giving it back to us. For her, that ball is a treasure. What if she keeps it and gives us this luxury collars in return? Everyone happy. Although the best thing about having a ball is to play with your friends. Haha, what an aquatic adventure we lived today. And we've learned that what for one is not important at all, for others is a precious treasure.
Farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow-meow here, a meow-meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow-meow. Moo-moo here, moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here, a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Meow meow here, meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a lamb, with a ba-ba here, ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Meow, meow here, meow, meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow, meow. Moo, moo here, moo, moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof, woof here, woof, woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof, woof. Ba-ba here, ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Meow, meow here, meow, meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow, meow. Moo, moo here, moo, moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
What a beautiful day to play on the swing. Wow, Phoebe knows how to swing by herself. Groovy, why don't you try? It looks like fun. Come on. Ah, really good. Wait, what's that? It's a mole. Where is he going? To his house? Let's learn about animal homes. Does the mole live inside a bush? Haha, no, it was just a snail. They live inside their shells, so they're carrying their own house around. And look over there, a spider. They make spider webs to live in, and also to catch their prey. Let's continue our way to the mole's house. Look, kids, a frog. Frogs live in ponds. So fun! Kids, look at that. The dirt road ends in that hole. That must be his house. Groovy, what are you doing? Do you want to see what it looks like? Moles dig burrows that are connected by tunnels. That's why they can appear anywhere in your garden. Wow, it's huge. Pops, where are you going? Look what he's found. A baby bird is about to be born. Oh no, it's going to fall. Thank God you caught it. How is it? Hi, little bird. Oh, it can't fly yet. It's just a baby. We have to help him go home. Do you know where it lives? Birds live inside a nest. They build their nest over the trees. But its nest is too high. How can we get over them? What should Groovy transform into to help that little bird? A hula hoop? A camera? Or a fire truck? That's right, kids. Groovy should transform into a fire truck. Really good, Groovy. It's almost there. Welcome home, little bird. Hey kids, do you want to play a game? Where do animals live? Look, these are the animals we've found. Mole, a snail, a spider, a frog, and a bird. Do you know where they all live? Where does the mole live? In a burrow, a shell, a spider web, a pond, or a nest? Really good. Moles live inside burrows. Where does the bird live? In a shell, a spider web, a pond, or a nest? That's it. Birds live in a nest over the trees. And the snail? Where does it live? In a shell, a spider web, or a pond? Right, snails live inside their shells. What about the frog? Where does it live? In a spider web or a pond? That's right, frogs live in ponds. There's only one animal left, the spider. And sure, spiders live in spider webs. Let's go through them all again. Moles live inside burrows. Birds live in nests over the trees. Snails live inside their shells. Frogs live in ponds. And spiders live in spider webs. Really good. What a beautiful spring day. Kids, look, a bunny. Is it the Easter bunny? Are you ready for the Easter egg hunt? For all the kids? Wow, what a weird machine. Is it to paint the eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 eggs. And what colors will they be? Red, yellow, blue, pink, and golden. It's the golden Easter egg, the most difficult to catch. Let's hide the eggs. Red one inside the bush. Yellow one, behind the tree. And the pink one behind the mound of stones. Haha, great! Ready to play? Groovy's found an egg. Do you think it's a dinosaur egg? No, Groovy, it's an Easter egg. The Easter Bunny has hidden surprise eggs. Wow, a police car. The Easter egg hunt has started. Let's find all of them. Groovy's found an egg. There was a fire truck inside the red egg. And the rest of them? Where are they? The yellow one. Can you see it, kids? Tell Groovy where it is. That's it. The yellow egg was behind the tree. So cool. A yellow excavator toy. Kids, do you see the pink egg? I know where it is. No, Groovy, not there. The pink egg is behind that mound of stones. Cool, a racing car. There's one surprise egg left to find. The golden egg. Look, there it is. Catch it. Groovy has transformed into a superhero. Sure, he will be able to catch it now. You almost have it. Come on, Groovy. Great idea, Phoebe. Ah, Phoebe was faster than you. Wow, a chocolate surprise egg. You deserve it. What a great teamwork. And what cool toys. Shall we go over what colors they are? The fire truck is, exactly, red. The excavator is yellow. The police car is, that's it, blue. The race car is pink. Don't eat too much chocolate and enjoy the spring. Welcome to the Animal Sanctuary. So fun! In an animal sanctuary, there are animals that have been rescued and now they live happily all together. Do you want to meet them? Sure. They're cows with a baby calf. A friendly bull. A goat. A sheep. Chickens and chicks. A rooster. Mama duck with her ducklings. And also piggies and a turkey. Oh no, a storm is coming. Groovy, let's all take shelter from the storm inside the farm. What happened, Phoebe? What? The baby calf is missing? Groovy, the calf is missing. We have to find him. Is he there? Nothing. Neither there? Where could he be? Groovy! Look, Groovy, the storm has made a hole in the wall. Children, do you think he has escaped through it? Groovy, let's find him. Look, there are footprints to the forest. Are they from him? What can Groovy transform into to check it? In a ball? A magnifying glass? Or in a brush? Exactly, in a magnifying glass. Are they calf footprints then? Great, if we follow the footprints, we'll find him. What? There are no more? Look, a bird. Maybe he saw the calf. Kids, should we ask him? Mr. Bird, have you seen a baby calf? He's lost. Yes! Groovy, follow him. Where is he? The calf is trapped. He has fallen, and now he can't climb up. Kids, in which vehicle can Groovy transform into to rescue the calf? In a bus? A police car? Or a crane truck? Exactly, in a crane truck. Very good, kids. Great. Very carefully, we will rescue the calf. He's so happy. I'm sure he can't wait to meet his mom again. Good job, kids. Let's go back to the farm to help fix it. No matter how strong the storm is, we all together are stronger.
The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider climbed down to Phoebe's bed. She screams and she yells, but it was just your little friend. Sorry, little spider, I know that I was wrong. He jumps back to her head and they play all day long. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up her father's nose. He screams and he yells and he's got the garden hose. He chases the spider through the garden. Groove is really scared, Dad is just my little friend.
Aw, look how cute they are when they're sleeping. Something smells delicious. It looks like Groovy can't resist. No, Groovy, not yet. Wait until everyone's at the table. Why don't you go wake Phoebe up? Really? Nothing? Maybe you should try again, but in a more loving way. Come on, Phoebe, it's lunchtime. Broccoli is super healthy, Phoebe. You should try it. No, Groovy, that's Phoebe's plate. We know she's gonna love it if she just gives it a chance, right, kids? Oh no, Phoebe's starving. Of course, she's weak because she hasn't eaten her vegetables. Wow, Groovy, that broccoli has made you super strong. Don't worry, Phoebe, there's always a solution. But how are we going to get back home? Yummy! Remember, kids, vegetables are healthy and tasty treats that give you all the energy you need to play nonstop. Oh, are you going to the beach? That's awesome! What are you carrying in there? An umbrella? A towel? Sun cream? Arm pants? Toys? A float? Very well! You definitely have everything you need to have a great day at the beach. Broccoli? Radiator? A coat? Groovy, you don't need these things at the beach. No, Groovy, you first need to use the sun cream. You don't want to get sunburned, do you? Look, like Phoebe does. Oh, that looks like fun. What's that? A shark? Oh, it was a dolphin. Dolphins are really friendly. Why don't you play with him? Hey guys, I think someone is calling you.
Peas, peas, it's time to eat your peas. Yes, 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 I want to eat my peas. Good, good, the peas are good for you. Yay, 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 I love them. Woo! See, see, Daddy likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see. Ha, 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 the peas are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow! Carrots, carrots, it's time to eat your carrots. Yes, 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 I want to eat the carrots. Good, good, the carrots are good for you. Yay, 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 I love them, ooh! See, see, elephant likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see. Ha, 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 the carrots are all gone now. eat your squash? Yes, 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 I want to eat the squash. Good, good, squash is good for you. Yay, 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 I love it. Ooh! See, see, monkey likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see. Ha, 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 the squash is all gone now. Yum, 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 we like it, wow! Beans, beans, it's time to eat your beans. Yes, 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 I want to eat the beans. Good, good, the beans are good for you. Yay, 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 I love them. Woo! See, see, Mousy likes them too. 1, 2, 3, he ate them up, you see. Ha, 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 the beans are all gone now. Yum, 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 we like them, wow! Broccoli, broccoli, it's time to eat your broccoli. Yes, 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 I want to eat the broccoli. Good, good, the broccoli's good for you. Yay, 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 I love it, woo! See, see, Daddy likes it too. 1, 2, 3, he ate it up, you see. Ha, 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 the broccoli's all gone now. Yum, 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 we like it, wow! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go chat, 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 chat. The people on the bus go chat, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go. The mommies on the bus go all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
What are you doing? Are you trying to say something? Oh, yes. Subscribe, kids. Groovy the Martian, official channel.